Okay, so here's what you're gonna need to make your crab cakes. Dijon mustard, jumbo lump crab meat. I also have some claw meat. Some breadcrumbs. I use panko, 1 egg, Old Bay, and some Worcestershire sauce. And that's gonna be it. Now, in place of that, you can use saltine crackers or whatever, but I prefer to use the panko breadcrumbs. So that's that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you the difference. This is the jumbo lump. This one is a bit pricier. This was $9 at Food Depot. It's the claw meat. I use this to help bind that together. Publix only had 2 of these, so I got this to stretch it, and Food Depot doesn't ever have the jumbo lump. So normally, if they had the lump, I would have gotten that, because normally what I do is I use this and I use the lump to help bind it, but they didn't have it, so I just got this. Still gonna be good. Even if you use all claw meat, it's still gonna be good. So just saying. All right, so I'm gonna get started.
Okay, in a bowl, you're gonna add your egg and some panko. Add a little at a time. You don't want to add too much at once, because then your crab cakes will be all filler. So you add a little bit at a time to see where you are, and then you add more as needed, okay? And then you're going to mix your crab cakes together. You're going to mix in your crab meat, mix in your jumbo lump crab meat last.
Okay, so I've made some of my crab cakes, and you can freeze these, by the way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a scoop. You want them big enough to cover your bread, you know. And I just take my hand, clean hands. I wash my hands all the time. Matter of fact, I just washed my hands before I came on here. Okay, so you're just gonna pat them together a little gently, and then let it out. Now, the sauce for my crab cakes, I'm going to use some hot sauce, some Dijon mustard, some garlic, mayo, some Cajun seasoning, some paprika, and some black pepper. Okay, so what I did, you saw me put the butter in. I also added a little oil in there to keep the butter from burning. And I put these in the freezer for about 15 minutes just so they'll set. And you're going to cook them from about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Okay. So we're going to flip it. Hey y'all, so this is it. It's done. I put bacon on the Myers, and the boys are having fish sandwiches, so the rest of them will be frozen. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that y'all are well, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.